Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about, can you split screen on your iPhone on iOS 26? Like I said, I'm on the latest version, that is iOS 26. So it is possible to split the screen, which means you can use the multitasking at the time, just like we used to see on an Android. Or apart from the Android, if you look at to the other devices like iPad, or if you go to any kind of Mac and all those things, we can do a split screen, whether it's supported on your iPhone or not. So absolutely, I have to say only one thing: it's actually not supported on your iPhone. You cannot do multitask or kind of a split screen on your iPhone at that moment, because Apple hasn't rolled out any kind of such features. But we are expecting, there are rumors on many websites which is leading, which says Apple might introduce it down the road. We cannot create by default or using any kind of trick or anything. We cannot split the screen. It has to be done from the Apple, it has to be done from their official site. So what you need to do is we just need to wait for a couple of updates to get rolled out, or maybe in the next year when the latest flagship comes out on an iPhone, they might introduce it. Right now the Apple is improvising in all the way down to make it much easier for all the users across the globe. So I think it might roll out in the coming days. So what you need to do is we have to patiently wait, and just keep in mind it is possible on an iPad, or if you go for any other high devices like MacBook or any kind of things, it's all possible there, but not on your iPhone. It might roll out in this down the road, and I hope it. So that's what it's all about it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.